Merry Christmas, everyone! While everyone else is cozying up by the fire, today Mold Mayhem is taking you to a realm that's frostbitten yet absolutely enchanting. Let's set aside the usual warm reds for a moment and wake up Ice Girl, the muse of eternal ice. To give Mold Mayhem more motivation to bring these masterpieces to life, don't forget to support us by hitting like, subscribe, and that notification bell. The magic starts right now. First, we're skipping the build plate removal and going straight into washing the model with alcohol, followed by a UV cure. The sanding phase is handled with extreme precision, from power sanding the large surfaces to carefully hand sanding those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. For any tiny air bubbles, we fill them with resin and hit them with a UV torch for an instant cure, ensuring a flawless surface. Once the prep is done, we apply the first coat of primer to the entire model. This acts as a crucial error check phase, helping us spot any remaining scratches or uneven spots before we officially start the paint job. Next, we do one last surface inspection before installing magnets in the head and torso for easy assembly. To give the model a premium, solid feel, we drill and backfill the hair, body, and legs with solid resin. After a final fitment check of all the joints, we'll go in with a second coat of gray primer. This is when Ice Girl's elegant and vibrant silhouette really starts to take shape. Time for the base coats. I'm applying a skin tone layer to the tight-fitting areas of her outfit. This is a great visual trick to create the illusion of the fabric stretching and subtly revealing her skin underneath. Next up is the signature bright sky blue for her one-piece bodysuit. This shade perfectly captures the vibe of a crisp, freezing winter sky. We'll carefully mask off the blue sections and then apply pearl white to the remaining details. That pearlescent effect is going to catch the Christmas lights beautifully. With the outfit done, it's time to focus on the soul of the model, the face. After the skin base, I'm using a heavily diluted red wash to create a natural flush on the cheeks, as if Ice Girl has been standing out in the biting winter chill. Now for the Galaxy Ice Eye technique. Every tiny detail in the pupils is meticulously painted to create depth like frost crystals, paired with sharp eyebrows and lashes to define her character. A layer of red lipstick is carefully applied to create a striking contrast for our frozen beauty. To ramp up the charm, we'll add a gloss coat to the lips. This wet look is also applied to the eyes, making them look hydrated and incredibly lifelike. Her pure white hair, accented with teal highlights, is painted to perfectly complement the bodysuit. Don't forget the gloves. We're going with the same pearl white to keep the entire aesthetic consistent. I wasn't really feeling the previous makeup look, so I'm going to switch it up and go with a different style that better fits her vibe. Body finished. Now let's move on to the base. I'm airbrushing various shades of blue to build the foundation of a deep, frozen lake. Once the base is dry, I'll hand paint white into the crevices. This technique simulates natural ice cracks for a hyper-realistic look. To add depth, I'll lightly mist some blue over the cracks to blend the colors, then go back in with more white paint to create a multi-layered shattered ice effect. The final highlight is the crystal cluster on the base. We're using a clear resin painting technique to maintain transparency, allowing the ice to catch the light perfectly. A final protective top coat, and the masterpiece is complete. And there she is. Ice Girl has officially arrived in all her glory, just in time for Christmas Eve. Now let's take a look at the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you love this snow princess, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Merry Christmas, and see you in the next one.